I'm discuss very important one that is called 301 302 redirect. In this we have totally 7 pages website. I'm clicking for 3D view. In 3D view will be and not update any content. So only for basic information. Basic information. Any people click for 3D view, they go to for contact us page. They go to which page? Contact us page. Is a permanent move or temporary move? You decide. Permanent move is called 301. Temporary move is a 302. Here I am not using any kind of coding to move the page one page to another page. First of all, login cPanel. This is a very important notice. What are the page you design? Don't delete the pages in one website. Once you design any pages, don't delete. We can direct one page to another page. Once deletion will be started, we're getting so many problems in your site. So once ranking your page, don't delete. You can move the traffic one page to another page. The page offer is done. Move to the other page offer. Why? We can convert the traffic one page to another page using search engine results. Now in this option call is redirect. The option call is redirect. So when click for 3D view page, when click the 3D view page, select. I'll give only for temporary 302. Which website? My website. Which URL? 3D view URL. Which page they're converting for? Contact us page. Select it. Here with the double redirection, with or without, and without. Always using for with or without. Double redirection will be mandatory. www. Add. Done. Check for incognito window. Why? Cookies are copied, so always checking for incognito window. I'm clicking for 3D view. They're going to contact us page. Why? 3D view is not available by my particular website. When you click 3D view, they're going to where? Contact us page. They show will be here and show your contact. Is it clear? Suppose when you click the 3D view, you can go to particular YouTube channel. You can read it for the particular YouTube channel also. I'll show you this. Select your channel. Videos. I'll give the overview of the enable the 3D view, they're going to where? YouTube channel. So once redirection will be done, we can't edit. Delete, you can go for once again, redirect. Edit will be option is there. No edit option. We can click for delete as redirect. Go back. Previous when click the 3D view, they're going to where? Contact us page. Now go to where? Video. Is a permanent season swim. Copy. Paste. Now click for add. Go to your website. Refresh. So I'm going to click for 3D view. Previous is going to for contact us. Now it's going to YouTube channel video. It's clear. This will be designed by the particular one page to another page. The dynamic and static will be same procedure. You can redirect for the one website to another website. The main call of redirection is called to move traffic one page to another page. The page existing traffic will be created, the 1 lakh. Suddenly the offer will be closed. The offer will can move to the other offer. We can using for cPanel option. This is called 301 permanent, 302 temporary redirection.